let's talk about feminine urges. The feminine urge to fix him.
I mean, that is तो self-explanatory and ये मुझे लगता है सबसे बड़ा feminine urge है to have because it's like you see a guy but you don't feel anything for him. But the moment you feel like there's something about him that is sob story, that's really like, oh my god,
Traumas. You see a guy, you see इसमें potential है, then you think कि इसकी mental health issues fix कर देती हूँ, इसकी financial issues जो भी हैं इसकी वो fix कर देती हूँ, इसकी personality में character development में थोड़ी help कर देती हूँ, इसका fashion sense fix कर देती हूँ और इसके और भी जो यहाँ वहाँ के friend circle में कुछ दिक्कतें हैं, कहीं पे भी कुछ भी problem है, वो सारी चीज़ें मैं fix कर देती हूँ because द रियलिटी इज़ कि हम उससे प्यार नहीं करते हैं, वो हमारे लिए एक प्रोजेक्ट होता है, ठीक है? एवरी बॉयफ्रेंड इज़ अ प्रोजेक्ट कि इसको यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक पहुँचाना है एंड देन देखा जाएगा आगे। तो बेसिकली हम उनकी ज़िंदगी सँवारना चाहते हैं, हम डोरेमोन हैं।
Yeah, that's true. I mean, it's like that, it works in a manner that हमको चाहिए कि उनके family से relations अच्छे हो जाएं, उनके friends से relations अच्छे हो जाएं. And in the process, it does not matter how fucked up our relations get to the people that we actually loved and care about before they came in our life. It doesn't matter how much fucked up our health gets, how much fucked up our finances get, how much fucked up our careers get. We don't care. All is like, uska bhala hona chahiye. Like,
to bring out, to make him the best version of himself. मतलब it's like कि सारे efforts बस वही करने के लिए दिमाग में एक टारगेट रहता है that you have to achieve, that you have to, this boy has potential, you have to push him to his best version. I mean, या तो ये हमारे चाइल्डहुड ट्रॉमास हैं, ऑफ कोर्स कुछ ना कुछ हमको the urge to psychoanalyze someone and to fix them properly, help them with wherever things are not okay, क्यों वो shy हैं, क्यों वो introvert हैं, क्या चीज़ उनको प्रॉब्लम दे रही है, all of that. एंड what you just mentioned कि इस प्रोसेस में जो इंसान आई थिंक मतलब since we are talking about feminine urges, so we are emphasizing on the fact कि लड़कियां ये चीज़ करती हैं, but I'm also open to the fact कि लड़के भी बहुत बार लड़कियों के लिए ये चीज़ करते हैं. It's a gender neutral thing.
Correct, it is.
हाँ,
That is true.
gender neutral thing. तो जो भी गिवर होता है या जो भी प्रोजेक्ट परसू कर रहा होता है उसके साथ जो होता है, that is a story for another day. We need to make another podcast for this. कि how helping someone or how pushing someone to their best version, compromises with your own life.
Yeah, I mean, it's like to make them the best versions of themselves. We don't care if we become the worst versions of ourselves in the process. We really don't care about it because everything that we do for them, we could have done it for ourselves. Yeah, I mean, we could have been somewhere else doing something else. If we could have achieved so much. We could have had such good relations with our parents, with our siblings, with our friends. All those friends who stopped talking to us because it's like it's like that. It works like that कि अच्छा तू उसके बिना तो आती ही नहीं आजकल, and we know that, but still we do it on like knowingly on purpose because we don't care about it. All we care about is that guy should be happy. I mean, again, I believe it's toxic on both ends. It's toxic for somebody
ये
who's
महान चीज़ नहीं है. It's a fucked up urge, by the way.
Exactly. It's very toxic. It's a red flag in a girl. It's not very healthy. But I think that's a red flag but it's a red flag that if guys think about it, it's actually in their benefit because they are benefiting out of it. Yeah. At the end, life किसकी सुधर रही है?
सुधर रही है.
Another feminine urge that is there is the feminine urge to sell feet pics online. I don't think there's any girl in this entire world who can say कि उसने जिंदगी में एक बार तो ये नहीं सोचा है.
I agree. ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि आपने बस एक बार थोड़ी सी देर के लिए कंसीडर नहीं किया हो कि जीवन में दिक्कतें तो है ही. Why not?
It's like, what's the harm? What's the worst that can happen? I mean, like, I think every girl once in a lifetime has looked at her feet and thought, "Sundar to ho yaar tum."
नहीं, every girl has looked at her feet and thought कि तुमसे पैसे कमाए जा सकते हैं. क्या लगता है? तुमसे पैसे कमाना स्टार्ट कर देना चाहिए क्या? बॉस बहुत दिक्कत दे रहा है यार. सोच रही हूँ जॉब क्विट करके फीट पिक सेल करने लग जाती हूँ.
I've been walking on money all around and I had no clue. But yeah, but that is actually a thing, you know, and I think, I mean, why not? What's the harm? What's the worst that can happen with it, yaar?
हाँ, we've been in the worst depressed phases and thought के ये किया जा सकता है, and then we either told it to our brothers or mothers or boyfriends and they were like या तो मैं या तो ये
Yeah, I mean, seriously, we like, of course, मुझे लगता है कि 99% लड़कियां करना चाहती हैं पर कर नहीं पाती है.
of course हम भी तो नहीं कर पाते
Of course. कर रहे होते तो
यहाँ नहीं बैठे होते
ठीक है.
Third urge, the urge to impulsively shop. Every girl loves shopping.
Yeah, and you know, there's this one weird thing in this. Somehow, weirdly, the urge to impulsively shop in women is majorly for others, not for herself. If we have, like, you know, if you look at it, it always happens. When you go to buy something for yourself, you will buy something that you want and then you'll come back. But when you go to buy something for someone else, then you're like, ये भी ले लेते हैं यार.
Correct.
इसको इसके साथ उसको ये भी अच्छा लगेगा. Then उसको शायद ये भी अच्छा लगेगा. It works like that.
तो क्योंकि women के लिए shopping is shopping, वो किसी के लिए भी हो. अर्ज तो शॉपिंग करने के लिए है ना, फिर वो अपने पेट के लिए क्यों ना हो सारे टॉयज खरीद लेंगे. सो इट्स लाइक ऑफ कोर्स, आई मीन वी आर गर्ल्स, ऑफ कोर्स वी हैव अ बजट फॉर शॉपिंग एंड ऑफ कोर्स वी ऑलवेज एक्सीड इट. तो
Of course.
सो हाँ, मतलब सैलरी आती है तो गर्ल मैथ इज कि एक काम करती हूँ, इस महीने पूरी सैलरी शॉपिंग में उड़ा देती हूँ और अगले महीने पूरी सैलरी शॉपिंग में नहीं उड़ाऊंगी तो कंपनसेट हो जाएगी.
And then the fun fact is that हम दोनों महीने पूरी सैलरी शॉपिंग में डालते हैं
क्योंकि हम अगले महीने की सेफ्टी
सोचते हैं यार, वो कंपनसेशन हो नहीं पा रहा है लाइफ में.
एंड शॉपिंग इज अगेन इट्स थेरेप्यूटिक. मतलब आप
वैसे तुम लोगों को फीडबैक सही करने का आइडिया
पैसे की बहुत जरूरत
बहुत
है
जरूरत
शॉपिंग करने के लिए, पैसे की जरूरत है. सो हाँ, श्योर, इफ यू फीलिंग सैड यू कैन go for shopping. If you're having a bad day, go for shopping.
Yeah.
If you're feeling happy, go for shopping.
The next feminine urge is to put makeup on him. And I think, I mean, that is, him can be anybody.
Yeah.
Him can be your pookie, your brother, your sibling, your friend, even a dog. Him can be anybody, but you look at a face, and I am so jealous of guys for having such beautiful lashes.
Oh God, I was just about to say the same thing.
They have such beautiful lashes. When you try to put makeup on them, you realize that shit, yaar, their eyes are so pretty.
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली द रीजन कि उनको मेकअप करने की इच्छा होती है, उनके ऊपर मेकअप करने की इच्छा होती है इज बिकॉज उनकी आंखें देखते हुए आपको लगता है लैशेस पे इस पे कर्लर और मस्कारा लग जाए तो कितनी सुंदर हो जाएंगी.
Yeah.
या फिर उनके एजी चीक बोन्स और ये सब देखते तो हाईलाइटर लगा दो थोड़ा सा तो कितना मस्त लगता. We've all done that at some point
Of
with
course.
some of the other person we have done.
We have done that
कि
many
हाँ, मस्कारा
times.
लगा दिया कि चलो किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा, चलो चलो.
And you know, men are so sweet because they have two personalities. One is when they are not around anybody else, but that one, you know, either sister, girlfriend, whatever. And then they have another personality when they're around other men.
Yeah.
So when they're not
Bye.
yeah. So when they're not in front of other men, they'll be like, चल ठीक है लगा दे, but किसी को बताना मत. No pictures, okay?
And then जब उनका मेकअप हो रहा होता है तो वो बहुत खुश हो जाते हैं. एक काम कर, ये भी कर दे, वो जैसे छोटे बच्चों का मेकअप करते हैं ना वैसे.
करे क्या है, देखो लाइक, अच्छा इससे क्या होता है, अच्छा तू ये भी लगाती है, तूने मुझे यही नहीं लगाया.
Exactly. True that. We are very men's mental health advocacy. हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा woke हैं. So we feel कि every man deserves to showcase his soft feminine side as well.
Yeah, and I think
It's very important.
yeah, and I think men amongst themselves should normalize being a pookie and being, you know, feminine.
True that.
Because I don't know why, what this masculine testosterone thing that they have to, you know, act in a certain manner in front of other men.
बहुत सोशल प्रेशर है यार.
ये खत्म कर देना चाहिए
है
ना
ना?
ये.
बहुत सारे बिहेवियर्स को एकदम न्यूट्रलाइज कर देना चाहिए कि
Correct.
इवन अ गर्ल कैन बिहेव however the hell she wants, इवन अ बॉय कैन बिहेव जो भी आपको, जो फिलहाल जिस चीज में कंफर्ट मिल रहा है वैसे बिहेव करो एंड यू वोंट बी जज्ड फॉर इट.
Correct.
आई थिंक इफ द वर्ल्ड इज लाइक दिस तो बहुत बेटर हो जाएगा.
Yeah, I mean, let's normalize a guy crying and a girl cursing.
True.
We need to normalize
True.
both of these things,
हाँ,
right?
correct, correct. So next feminine urge is to be a trophy wife. To marry a rich man, एक बहुत बढ़िया अमीर सा बंदा ढूंढो और उससे शादी कर लो, उसकी हाउसवाइफ बन जाओ. हाउसवाइफ जिसके पास हर चीज़ की हेल्प हो, तो उसे खुद कुछ काम नहीं करना पड़े, तो उसका काम बेसिकली मैनिक्योर्स, पेडिक्योर्स, हेयर स्पास, ये सब कराना हो. और हाँ, कभी-कभी देयर इज़ दिस, नो मैटर हाउ इंडिपेंडेंट यू आर, बट फॉर अ फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकंड्स, रात में व्हेन यू सिट, क्या यू हैड अ बैड डे एट वर्क, एक छोटी-सी फेमिनिन एनर्जी आती है कि यार, इससे अच्छा तो यार किसी की ट्रॉफी वाइफ ही बन जाना चाहिए था.
है ना?
कुछ काम नहीं करना पड़ता, पैसे कमाने का प्रेशर ही खत्म हो जाता.
So it's like, since we were not born with the privilege of मखमल की चप्पलें पैरों के नीचे, and we are trying to work our asses off to reach the privilege of मखमल की चप्पलें, it is one feminine urge
हाँ.
which says that इतनी मेहनत करने की जरूरत है ही नहीं वैसे.
मैं अपना फीमेल विक्टिम कार्ड
क्यों नहीं खेल सकते? Yeah, it's like ठीक है. And I mean, why is like the guy who is earning, whose trophy wife we can be, why is he earning so much? Like, because
हाँ, true that.
his masculine urge is to provide, no.
True,
So we are doing him a favor.
Exactly. एंड देन एकदम से रियलिटी किक इन करती है और ये जो अर्ज है ये चली जाती है
Of course.
कहीं पे ब्लैक होल में चली
Of
जाती है. वापस याद आता है कल काम पे जाना है, मैं अपना पैसा खुद कमाऊंगी.
Yeah, because that urge is only until a point where you see you're in a la la land suddenly.
Yeah.
But in reality, you don't want that la la land because you're not that kind of a person.
Hmm.
You're a kind of a person who wants to earn her own bread because that is what gives you the most satisfaction in this entire world. So then you're like कि ठीक है नहीं चाहिए मखमल की चप्पल, but मुझे whatever I have, it should be something that I have made for myself.
करेक्ट. ब्राउन हाउस होल्ड्स में डॉटर्स को ये चीज़ फील कराई गई है ना, दैट नॉट फील कराई गई है, फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम मेन यूज्ड टू बी द ब्रेड अर्नर विनर ऑफ द फैमिली. तो वी हैव, पता नहीं हम किसी को तो प्रूव करना चाहते हैं, हम पता नहीं किसको प्रूव करना चाहते हैं, पर हम प्रूव करना चाहते हैं कि देखो हम भी, we can earn the bread, we can do everything on our own. That also brings me to this another urge that we have of being hyper independent. मतलब there's this one urge के let's be a trophy wife, and then this contradictory एकदम उससे दूसरी urge ये है कि hyper independent बनना चाहते हो आप, कि मैं शादी वादी कुछ भी नहीं करना चाहती हूँ, मैं सिर्फ पैसे कमाना चाहती हूँ, मैं सिर्फ अपनी ड्रीम लाइफ अचीव करना चाहती हूँ, लेकिन सब कुछ खुद के टर्म्स पे.
Correct. To live in a house in mountains with 5-6 dogs and 5-6 cats, and be that aunt who always has alcohol in her bag.
Yeah.
And a cigarette ka dabba maybe. I'm so sorry for my family. No, I don't do that. But I'm just saying, there are people who do that.
Yeah.
So to become that aunt, who will come bearing gifts and who doesn't have a care in the world, who's like single and
Who always has money.
Yeah.
Who drives a G-Wagon.
exactly. And whenever she enters a room, she owns the room.
Boss girl.
Yeah, boss girl. That's
Boss
the
girl
attitude.
energy.
Yeah.
Guys have big dick energy. We have boss girl energy.
Yeah, that's actually true. And that urge, I think that urge somehow it relates with the fact that again that we want to be our own bread earner and everything, and we want to do it to a core. We don't want to be independent. We don't want to be dependent on somebody for anything. It's
True.
like, so there's one more feminine urge, that is to compliment random girls on the street. I mean, that has happened to me a lot of times that, if I see a girl, carrying a very nice bag or looking her pretty vibrant self or wearing a very cute top, and I've went to them and I've told them that, this is looking pretty or so and so, and I can see in their eyes that I've made their day.
Yeah.
Because if somebody would come to you, somebody you don't know, maybe at an airport, and you're just sitting, and somebody comes to you and says, and you're wearing a very nice top, and it makes your day.
Correct. True that. But I just wanted to tell you one thing. I mean, I love it when girls have the same, like they match your energy. आपने जाके उनको compliment किया, that nice hair or nice makeup, anything, and they're like, oh, thank you, and all of that. I've also seen girls do that. उनको जाके compliment करो कि your hair looks nice या ऐसा कुछ भी, and they're like, thank you. What is this? मतलब आपको आप अगली बार अब आप सोचोगे कॉम्प्लीमेंट करने से पहले कि यार उसको उसको लगा कि मैं पता मतलब यू अंडरस्टैंड कि वो क्या कहना चाहती है तो
Correct.
हाँ मतलब आई लव इट व्हेन दे मैच देयर एनर्जी बट देन देयर सम पीपल हु जस्ट give you that attitude. Yeah, bitch, you can't get such hair anytime in your life.
So basically they are ruining it for everyone.
Yeah, exactly. आपने कॉम्प्लीमेंट किया तो वो आपको रियलाइज करा दे कि ये अनअचीवेबल है तेरे लिए. I got it. So yeah,
Yeah.
tell us about more feminine urges. Comment below. Yeah. बस
अच्छे से बोलो थोड़ा.
ठीक है.
बोलो.
So I think that's it for feminine urges.
Yeah.
If you guys have any, if something we have missed and you know it, please comment below.
Yeah. Like, share,
फिर
subscribe.
से बोल दो like, share, subscribe एक बार.
Please like, share, subscribe, comment more feminine urges. If you want us to make such more videos, comment again. Yeah.
Stay tuned.
Bye.